Ilse, Stanislav. I'm so happy to have you here at the booth, guys.
We're glad to be here too.
Yes, thank you for the invitation. We're very happy to be here.
I've known Casper for quite a long time, and we've developed this accordion, which I think really sounds magnificent. But I mean, I'm not the expert in music. I'm especially not the expert in accordions, but I think you two guys are. So, what was the first thing that you thought when Casper showed you off that accordion? Was it too small, or was it just okay?
The first thing I was thinking, oh, it's a cute accordion, so little small, so let's try it.
Let's try it, that's a good point.
Let's see what happens when you play it. And the first thing I thought was like, oh, no left hand, so what should we do now? But when you start playing it, it's like, oh, but actually there are a lot of possibilities with like these small amounts of notes. So
wonderful.
Yeah.
So it makes fun playing.
Yeah,
yes,
it really does.
Guys, would you ever have believed if someone told you some time ago, I'm going to print an accordion, that would become true?
I would only think nice. It will be a paper thing, like to give colors, but not a real thing. Yeah. That's not possible, right? But actually, it is.
Yesterday, I spoke to some people and told them, okay, yes, this black accordion is printed in 3D, but they told me, like, but the surface just looks so nice, it can't be true that then comes from a 3D printer. I think Casper gave that for painting, didn't he?
Yeah, he did paint, did let paint it,
okay.
Yeah.
That's a little bit for the outside.
Because on the green one, you can really see like the layers on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here they're a little hidden.
Okay, yeah, fair enough. So, again, great that you're here on the show. I mean, quite a few people love that. Come along, stay here, and we will be on the exhibitors party tonight.
We will do that.
Okay, so let's hear another tune from you. Can you give me another tune?
Of course.
Yeah.
Yes.
So have a go. Just hope people can come up tonight. Bye bye.